Yes, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we started discussion about Django forms. How to define the form? The main purpose of form is to accept the user input from the end users. Then we go to the forms. So yesterday in the last program, feedback form we implemented. Go to the command prompt. Just run the yesterday program. D drive, CD, Django, feedback project, manage.py, run server. Server is started. Open the browser. URL, I'm given feed. Yes, feedback form is displayed. Sir, here main thing is minimum validations, it is validating. If I'm given Sunny, if I'm not given roll number, if I'm given feedback high, submit. Sorry, boss, please fill the field because it is a required attribute is there. That's why it is asking minimum validations it is doing. For example, I have to go with field I can provide that. Once you click on the submit, the form is submitted. Okay, fine. I think this one now my requirement is again click on enter. Form came. I have to give an yes. I'm given one email ID. I'm given. H. Even though this data also accepted, it will be displayed to the console. Yes, sir. Hello, yes. Thanks for providing feedback. It is very helpful for us to provide a better service. Here, I'm not allowing the yes character. Minimum characters I can require. For example, if I want to go to Gmail, I want to create an account. I'm given first name A. Are you sure you want to enter? Sorry, something. Next, date January 1st. Click on next. Yeah, password A. Confirm password A. I can provide that next. Sir, minimum what they are asking? 8 characters. Restriction is there, not there? Yes, available there. Same like that. Here, I have to given 8 characters. 8 characters. Click on next. Please enter strong password. Try a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Sorry, fine. For example, here I'm given those details and yeah, click on next. What they are asking? Password did not match. So these things I have to do now. I have to create password, re-enter password. If both are not same, how to compare? As that is the next level. First minimum level is my requirement. How to accepted minimum content in this form. If I enter single value, sorry boss, single character not accepted. Minimum 4 characters I can required. That is my first validation for this. There are two ways are there to do the form validations. Two ways are provided in the Django. One is by using the clean method we can implement validation logic by using two ways. First one is explicitly by the programmer by using clean methods. Second one, by using Django inbuilt validators. This is the two ways are there. Validators. Or else. This is the two ways are available, sir. Sir, as the basic object-oriented sample programs I'm given for you, parent class, child class, how to access parent method, and overriding those things we discussed. Same thing now. First one. This is the first one. In your forms.py, you have to declare some fields names. So how many fields are there? Name, number, email, feedback. 4 fields are there in the forms.py. Which field you want to provide validation? Name, roll number, email, feedback. Which one you can require? Name first. All I will explain. First I have to take name. That's why what is the syntax is? Syntax of clean method is clean underscore the field name. Clean underscore field name. We have to define. And our field name is name field. So we have to provide the method name is clean underscore name. How to define the method? You know, def is the keyword. By using that, you have to define clean underscore name field. So once I define this method, for example, in the forms class, I have to declare like this. Def is the keyword, clean underscore name field, inside self, I have to write the logic. This is one method implemented in form class. Once it is a method within the class, who is calling this method? Who is calling the method? Because it is method available to the class. I'm not creating any object. I'm not calling. Actually, you no need to worry. Because of the clean underscore name, parent class is the form class. Django is the responsible to call this method at the time of submitting the form. You no need to call explicitly. So that's why I'm given what is the fixed name? Clean underscore field name. Other if it is my own function, I have to give F1. I have to call F1 explicitly. Once you given this fixed name, then automatically Django will call this method at the time of submitting the form. So in the form class, for any field, if we define clean method, then at the time of submit this form, Django will call this method in the form class. For any field, if we define clean method, then at the time of submit this form, Django will call this method automatically to perform our validations. If clean method won't raise any error, then only request will be processed, sir. Successfully. So go to the forms.py file, sir. Define one clean method for this name field and write the logic. So go to the forms.py. Def is the keyword to declare the method. Clean underscore the field name is name. The argument should be self. I am printing, validating the name field. Validating the name field. ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇప్పుడు 1 minute. సన్ను 1 సన్ని హెచ్ field న్యో కళ్ళు దొబ్బే అయితే here it is there. Validating name field available, not available. So ante automatic clean method executed. You are not calling anything. And I'm not writing logic. That print statement came means automatically it is calling that method. Now write the logic. What I was doing is, sir, here you have to tell how to read end user provided data name. Here name I'm entering, suppose yes. This data I want to read stored into variable. How to read end user provided data? I'm telling one dictionary. What is the dictionary name? Clean underscore data. How to call that one? Can I call directly clean underscore data? Form. Okay, very good. Where is the form? Here any form variable is there? No. So the clean underscore data is available where? In that it is the parent class. So in that class it means, yeah, by using current class instance method, how to call? By using self, not form. The form object is available views. Here I am not creating any object. Here if I want to call, then what is the dictionary, sir? Clean underscore data. Take variable name. This is my input given by the end user. Now how to check it? Minimum I'm asking 4 characters, but end user given only 1 character. What is the condition we have to write? If if it is less than 4 characters, what is the keyword to raise an exception to the end user? Today morning 9 o'clock explained what is the keyword. Raise is the keyword. By using raise keyword, forms dot, there is a one class is there, validation error. What is the class? Validation error. Inside whatever message you want, you can give. In morning today, 9 o'clock, I'm telling that fiber net. So now, sir, this is the keyword module name. This explain one example now. Two young exception is my class. Raise two young exception. Voice breaking network issue. Oh, 1 minute. Voice completely breaking. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఉందండి నెట్ ఇంకేం లేదా ఇంకోటి ఏదో వచ్చిందిగా యాప్ వాయిస్ బ్రేకింగ్ 1 minute. Now is it okay? Voice is coming online, guys. Yeah. Sir, now check this. Clean underscore name is the method. From the cleaned data, I am taking the end user provided name. That name I am comparing if the length is less than 4. This is the predefined class available in this module. Raise. Internally can pass message. The message is the minimum number of characters. The minimum number of characters in the name field should be how much? 4 characters. Now come to here, written that input name. Whatever input name you were given, that input name. So this is the cleaned method. Now, validation error is the predefined class which is available to the forms module. Raise is the keyword. This message, my own message I am forwarding. Now, server is restarted. Come to here, send the request, get request, form is ready. I'm given yes, roll number 123, mail ID. I'm given hi, submit, submitted. Validating name field. Program entering into the internally. I didn't saved anukunta. Saved. The cursor internally coming. Validating name executed means pakka it is going to inside, but validation is not happened less than 4. Raise the error. Correct kada? No. Suppose if I'm given more characters, previously data not printed, yes sir, no? అంటే कुछ कुछ होता है वहाँ. చూడండి simple. If I'm given single letter, it is not printing data and form is not validating. Some more is working, but error message I'm not getting here. But here name is validating field, but I'm not printed any data ante form is not valid. But message రావాలి కదా పైన. అదే if I'm given correct data, then form is validating. Valid కేసులో ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది, ఇన్వాలిడ్ అవ్వట్లా, బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ మెసేజ్ ఆల్సో. అక్కడ ఏదో సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఉంటా. వాలిడేటింగ్ నేమ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సక్సెస్ కత్రినా 1 2 3 సన్నీ హాయ్. అవును, సబ్మిట్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత వీ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ ద మెసేజ్ కదా. హాయ్స్ అన్ని థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ అది కూడా రావట్లేదు కదా. వచ్చిందా? వచ్చింది. హాయ్ కత్రినా, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ అస్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ బెటర్ సర్వీస్. బట్ ఇన్వాలిడ్ కేసులో ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది కానీ. ఎస్, 1 2 3 మెయిల్ ఐడి, హాయ్, సబ్మిట్, నేమ్ ఫీల్డ్ వ్యాలిడేటింగ్. Go to the view. Once I submitted, sir, ఇక్కడ what happened is there. For example, if form is validating, form is not valid, it is not executing. After that, line number 18 is executing there. What is the meaning of line number 18? Empty form created, empty form render to the assume that the message will overriding. So cut this. Give here empty form. If submitted, this form will be displayed. Now check this. Enter single letter, roll number 123, email ID, hi. ఇంకోండి, అది mistake. The minimum number of characters in the name field should be how many? 4 characters are there. Then now check this, name field is validating, data is not available there. So because of that line number 18, it is rendering to the end user empty page. Starting if I can provided, then it is displaying your values. Adhe if I'm given SUNN 1 2 3 4 characters, submit. Now it is provided because less than 4 and until 3 only it is not accepted. 4 means accepted. So forms.py, you have to take this method, this method. Take the method. Hmm. ఏది? ఒక్క నిమిషం వస్తుందండి. చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు. నేమ్ రాంగ్ కరెక్ట్ వీఆర్ నాట్ డిసైడెడ్ నా. లెస్ దాన్ అడుగుతుంది అదే. నువ్వు లూప్ ఏం అవసరం లేదు. అంటిల్ 4 characters you are entering, keep on, it is asking only. Because once you click on submit button, it is calling clean method. Once you click on submit clean method, once the clean method is there, it is reading this and checking the characters. Until you are entering 4 characters, keep on, it is asking. మళ్ళీ completed. Sir, remaining fields, how to validate? Just I am printing messages only. I'm not validating just the field. It is going to the internally. Those fields are not just print messages I am using. Observe. If I want to do the second field, def clean underscore. What is the second field? Roll number. Roll number. Provide self, sir. I want to print validating roll number field. I want to read input roll number equal to self dot. What is the dictionary? Cleaned data. What is the field? Roll number. What is the next one? Email kada? Email. 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 Next field feedback. Feedback. Here also feedback. Here also feedback. The just control will goes to internally or not. We are checking. Server is fine. Give the request, get request. It is the empty form. I have to give all the valid data. 1, 2, 3, email ID and hi. Submit the form. Okay. Thanks for providing services. Here, come to this validating name, validating roll number, email, feedback. Form validation success. All the printed there. Roll number none, mail ID none, feedback none. Name only came. Something goes wrong. ఏదో జరిగింది. Oh, I'm not written. That's why function does not return anything by default. Return value is what it is. None. Return. మళ్ళీ నెట్టిపోయినట్టు ఉంది. Email. Return. సార్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్పుట్ feedback. Return input feedback. That's why I'm getting none values. Breaking voice. Net సరిగ్గా లేదు. Come here, refresh. I have to give name, mail ID, roll number. Hi, submit. Submitted. Go to the server, sir. Everything will be there. Validating name, validating roll number, email, feedback. Form validation successful. Number, name, mail ID, feedback provided there. For example, if something validation failed అనుకోండి, go to the views. If a form is valid, this one. No. What it is? Else. Print some field Validation fails. Now see the server fine. Now you have to give wrong data. Not doing any validations. Later I will do the validations remaining. Submit. The minimum number of characters 4. Go to here. Now see validating name, roll number, email, feedback. Some field validation was fails. Because if condition failed, form is valid. That's why it is coming to the else block. Else block will be printed some field validation fails. So I take this one. ఈ నెట్ సంగతి ఏంటి Hello, am I audible? Online guys. Voice is clear? No. ఆఫ్లైన్ కాదు, ఆన్లైన్. ఏదో రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి ఏమి. వస్తుంది వస్తుంది. మధ్యలో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది అలర్ట్ల వాయిస్. సరే ఓకే. So like that, we have to validate the fields by using clean. Django will call these field level Online guys, now screen is not visible. 1 minute. Now is it visible? Online guys, voice is okay, clear. Okay, done. Sir, now see, just where validating fields, printing messages I can provide that there. So whenever how many clean methods are there in your program, all methods can be called by Django. These clean level methods automatically, and we are not required to call these methods explicitly. The names are fixed, sir, because these are understandable by Django. That's why I'm given every time clean underscore name, clean underscore. All okay, Mali voice is breaking. So that is the first way how to define clean methods in the forms.py. వస్తుంది నాదా ఏం రావట్లేదు కదా నెట్ బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది కంటిన్యూస్ గా సరే సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ by using Django inbuilt validators. Sir, by default, some validators are available there. I don't want implemented any method. Just you have to call these validators. This validators is available in one module that is django.core. In this, these validators are available there. For example, here, I'm entering 1 or 2 characters in the feedback. It is accepted. It is accepted there. It is printed. I want to provide that minimum 10 characters, maximum 40. I want to provide that there. Come to here, remove all these nonsense not required. Only form class is there. Inside there is one module is there from Django. నిజంగానే బ్రేకింగ్ వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఎవరో చేస్తున్నారు ఈ మెసేజ్లు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఏందే బాబు నా ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ అన్స్టేబుల్ పోయింది Now, am I audible? Online guys. Yes. Screen is visible and audible. Sir, now see this one. Django inbuilt validators. How to provide that sound problem. Little bit breaking. Voice खिचड़ी खिचड़ी हो रहा है. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है संदीप. नो प्रॉब्लम. రావట్లే వాయిస్. సార్ చూడండి నౌ బ్రేకింగ్ అంట. నౌ ఓకే. సార్ చూడండి జస్ట్ యూ హావ్ టు సీ ది ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నౌ ఓకే. Sir, how to provide inbuilt validators, okay, for this. Voice break. Sir, John, a small example we will see. It is available in Django inside. What is the module? Core module. I have to import. Sir, what I have to import? Validators. రావట్లేదా? సరే వేరే బాబు. మరి వీళ్ళు ఇదిగో స్క్రీన్ స్టక్డ్. ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళకి కాల్ చేయండి. వస్తుందంట. Sir, now observe carefully here. I have to import the validators module. This is the Django core import validators I can provided there. Sir, which field you want to provide validation? Feedback, character field. Previously, it is accepted 2 letters only. Now I don't want to accept this 2 letters. Minimum 10, maximum 40 I can require. So inside form text area here, you can use comma. What it is? A variable is there, validators equal to, if I can provide validators dot, what is the maximum length validator? Maximum how much I can provided? 40 characters, comma, validators module. Inside I want to provided minimum length validator. This is the class, creating object 10. You don't need to write any logic. By default, validators is a module. Inside this is one class. This is the second class. Minimum 10, maximum 40. Now you can check it. Server restarted. Go to here. Send the request. Now name. In the name, no validation. Yes letter. Accepted. 1, 2, 3. Email ID. Now, hi, classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Saruddu. Just to give hi 2 letters only. Submit feedback. Here I'm not selected anything. Okay. It is rotating. Why? Server is okay, fine. In the forms, nothing. If you want to give more letters, submit. If form is valid, reload the server. So stop this. ఇదిగోండి వస్తుంది ఏదో జరిగింది మొత్తానికి. Stop the server, sir. 1 minute. Restart the server. Something goes wrong. Come to here. Feedback. I have to give Sunny 123 email ID. Hi. Submit. ఇదిగోండి. Ensure this value has at least 10 character. It has how many characters? 2 characters only. Suppose you can enter more characters. Maximum ఎంత ఇచ్చాం 40 కదా. I'm entering so many. Can't submit. Sorry, boss. Most of the maximum how many? 40. How many are there? 72. So like that, instead of clean method, this is the another way. You have to give inbuilt validators also. Sir, here Django provides several inbuilt validators to perform common validations. Anything we have to use based on requirement. If simple validations are there, inbuilt validations, okay. No, sir, I have to do more validations, then customized validations are preferable one. We can use directly and we are not responsible to implement those methods. Yeah, everything possible. All fields you can provide internally. All inbuilt validators present in Django.core module. So in forms.py, space also one character. So in forms.py, import the statement. So remaining fields I'm not providing anything. Only this one I provided. So only last column I can give. Here I am not given any validations. Only feedback I'm given validation. That is inbuilt validator, sir. Sir, here, this is module kada. In this module, this is the predefined class, max length validator. This is also predefined classes. So Suppose I have to give validators equal to internal. I want to give my own custom validators. How to provide validators I'm using? I want to provide customs. The name should be don't accept. Then letter. Then So now check this. This is the validators. I'm using inbuilt validator classes. Now my requirement is how to implement custom validators by using same validators parameter. Because within this function, within this class, I'm passing a parameter validators. Same parameter I want to use, but I want to do the customization. My simple example is the name should be starts with S letter. My requirement is if the name should starts with S letter, then only you can continue. Otherwise, no. So just now I'm taken clean underscore method. Read the end user provided data and starting letter should be yes or no. How to check it? The first letter should be yes or no. How to check that? Python code starts with. Okay. Instead of that, see, I have to define one method. Okay. It is not clean method. So can I give any name? Yes, any name. My own method it is a starts underscore with underscore yes. Inside one argument value. The value is nothing but the end user provided data I am passing as an argument to in this value. Now, the first letter, if I want to check this, just it is a console purpose, starts with yes function execution. So within the validators, I can pass this function. Automatically, this print statement will be coming into the console. I have to take, you have to tell value of 0. What is the meaning? First letter. So value of 0 means what is the value? I will pass that value. This name I'm passing as argument to value. Value of 0, I can provide if it is not equal to yes. I'm given small s. By mistakenly, my end user given capital S. It is telling invalid. Then instead of that, sir, this value dot 0 is there now. Dot, what is the function? Lower. Convert that one, not equal to yes. You have to compare. Not upper, lower. Value spelling wrong. Value. Value of 0, not equal to yes. Now, sir, what is the keyword? Raise. What is the module name? Forms. What is the class name? Validation error. Validation error. Instead, you have to give your error name should be starts with small s or capital S. Completed story. This function you have to call into where you can call in this place. What is your parameter name? Validators. Validators equal to what is the function name? Starts with s. This function name you can provide. Save this. Now, this is my sir. Here, any logic you can write, any function. First, to check the server status. మీకు వచ్చిన మెసేజ్ నెట్వర్క్ అన్స్టేబుల్ డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోద్ది ఇప్పుడు సార్ ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఎర్రర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ నేమ్ ఎర్రర్ నేమ్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ఎస్ నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎనీవన్ టెల్ self where here a small problem is there in this code. No indentation. See the error, simple name error. Name error means It is not defined. It is not recognizing that method is not recognizing. The thing is simple. You can cut this. Don't mention within the class. You can mention outside class because it is a one function. That function is passing into argument here. Now check the server. Server started. Come to here. Give this. Now name equal to I'm given Bunny. Roll number 123. Email ID given. Now here validation is there. Classes are too bad today. Now submit. Sorry, boss. Your name should be starts with small s or capital S only. So you have to provide capital S. Submit the feedback. Feedback submitted. Printing the message. Sunny 123. Everything is there. So like that, sir. Function within your forms.py. Create the function and validators required kada validators. This function you can pass into your class. Within the class, within the name, you can give this parameter validators equal to start with S. So for this requirement, that is the function. This is the requirement. The name should be starts with S letter. Sir, I'm asking mail ID should be compulsory at the rate Gmail only. Mail ID should be at the rate Gmail only. How to validate? Tell anyone my second requirement should contain compulsory at the rate gmail.com. If I'm given Yahoo, Hotmail, or any company mail IDs, I'm not accepting. How to validate? Hmm? Slicing. Yeah. What slicing we are using? Step equal to. Then if you take negative, what will happen? It is printing last to first. Suppose, see, write down this one. Ilope మీరు. Suppose ఇది నా mail ID అనుకో. mahesh@gmail.com. I want to read only @gmail.com. How to read? Minus -1, -2, -3, -4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this case, if we can use -10 colon, yeah, am I getting data? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first to take this one, then I will tell this logic. Regular expressions, that is also we can use, but here we are using completely my own Python code I am using now. Python code means anything you can write, no problem. Final thing is it validating or not? That is important. Your internal code, no one can checking. Validation is working or not working. As which code you are in. Suppose I am using -10 colon something logic. He is using different logic. Another person using different logic. You are using regular expression. Anything we can use. Main validation is working or not working. Parla. Sir, he is asking doubt. Anyone tell what it is? This one. Starts underscore with yes required argument, but we didn't pass how it validate the name. Correct. Read that one. So his doubt is, sir, this is the function you are calling. See the program, total program. Sir, you are passing argument to this function. Okay, it is going to here. Who is sending this value? That is his doubt. So this starts with function validator. And what is this name? In the form name field is there. Whatever end user provided by this data, this total thing, that part will take care by this person. Who is that person? Validators. Validators, which attribute is there? Suppose, observe. This validators, I can mention into this one. Then the email field will be passing as an argument to this value. So that validators will take care about those things internally. Sir, now this is my requirement. Mail ID should contain @gmail.com. For example, here take the IDLE. In IDLE, just to see this, I have one mail ID is there. Mail ID equal to @gmail.com. I'm asking compulsory Gmail. Last values I want to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So can I go with mail of -10 colon? Mail of -10 colon. Am I getting the Gmail or not? Yes. So last values we are considered. Okay, done. Aite now in this case, what I was doing is mail ID. Then we are getting the mail. Come to your code. Declare one more function. Def. What is the function name? Any name your wish, that is Gmail underscore validator. Inside comma ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? Value. Now print checking for Gmail validations, sir. Sir, now what it is, if value of -10 colon. Now, am I getting the total value or not? Yes. If it is not equal to, what I want to give, @gmail.com colon. What is the keyword? Rise. What is the module name? Forms. What is the class name? Validation error. Instead, you can give your own message. Mail extension should be what it is? Gmail. Now check the server. Server is fine. But you have to give this Gmail validator into which field? Email equal to validators variable. Inside you can give that function. Then automatically whatever mail ID you are providing, this mail ID is passing as an argument to this value. Now come to here, sir. Click on enter. Okay. First name Sunny. Roll number 123. Email ID abc@yahoo.com. Now something feedback 10 characters. Submit. Sorry, boss. Mail extension should be Gmail. Now I am entering something Gmail. Submit. As submitted, everything will be validated. You can starts with function execution done. Checking for Gmail validation also executed. So like that, you have to take your own customized methods also. This one you have to give to email field, sir. Sir, in the first example, there are three fields are there. I'm using 4 clean methods: clean underscore name, clean underscore roll number, clean underscore feedback, clean underscore Gmail. 4 methods I created. Now here also 3 methods implemented passing to the validators. My requirement, I want to validate total form with single clean method. How? Only one method, multiple methods I don't want to. Starting first example. 4 methods I created. First method, second method, third method, and one more here. First, 4 methods are there. Suppose my form contains 10 fields. Can I create 10 methods? First method, I'm passing as a validator. I declared one more method, passing as a validator. I want to do validation of the total form directly by using a single clean method. How to validate this? Only one clean method can validate total entire. My requirement is within the form, first one name starting letter should be S letter. Second, roll number less than 0. For example, chudandi Sunny, roll number 0. Email, Gmail. I'm given like this. Is it accepted? Not accepted. Happily accepted there. Here something is selected. That's why. ఇదిగోండి accepted. See the values. Roll number 0. Roll number 0 is valid? No. So I have to validate these type of things. Compulsory name should be starting letter yes. Roll number less than or equal to 0, not accepted. Minimum you can start with 1. Suppose if I'm given minus 10, accepted because we are not validating anything. So less than 0 or equal to not accepting, and we have to provide that compulsory Gmail within the single which method? Clean method. Can I explain or tomorrow we'll continue? Well, and tomorrow we will see this single clean method how to implemented.